Wait, I'll show you. And egg. Hey, deep in the forest. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel once again. I'm here right now again, deep in the forest. Today is totally a different plan. I will look for fresh vegetable here in the forest and then pluck it, cook and eat. So let's start looking for a fresh vegetable. Lakwan guy mai painta gubang de ai gan phu nè, phu ra là na xoang tu nè, tu nụ phải gan này 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 mà dòng đi đâu được cơ xì mấy hại. Now I got a fresh vegetable out here. Oh, this one. Edible, eh? Don't worry. Không đi này đây ơi. Cái hào mình lật here, this one also. Rì của mình trong đi đó, rì thôi mẹ. Cái gì? Vậy thế. See, here plenty. See the leaves is like this. And pluck it. Pluck. Yo. Plenty of vegetables. I got lots of vegetables. Here, my friends. This will be my main recipe here. So I'll show you how I cook this and eat. So the way I peel is like this. Remove the skin and get the tender one. See. Some more. Here. My new organic vegetables is here, and some more. Pull like this, drag, pull it down, and just peel it like this. Here. Nice smell. This is how I have peeled it out. Now I'm going to boil this. My small gas cylinder. It's a can here, and my small gas stove. It's good. Weather is not good, so I'm using this today. Hopefully it is not windy, so let me fix this. Let me try fixing this. I'm not too good with this. Anyways, how? I'll pull it like this. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. This is it. Very simple. Oh. I'm going to boil this. Such a bit huggy. Started. So let me boil this for some time. When it is cooked, then let me show you how I eat this. My food will not cook, so I have fans like this so that it will not disturb. One more out here. Today I brought a different rice. This is a sticky rice, purple or whatever, black or purple. So this is going to be very yummy. And have some well stuff, which is organic, fresh from the forest. Let me put in the water for some time and again wash it for 2-3 times. See this rice. It's going to be sticky and very, very tasty. Now let me make the fire. Here. Make a table. Like this. So this is my dining table, temporary one. Chalo dosto, fermented fish ngari. So I'm going to steam it. I've washed it on top of the rice like this. If you burn it, it's become bitter. So I'm going to steam this for my chutney. See, like this. So I fold like this and steam it. Yeah. See. So this will go on top of the fire, on top of the rice. On top of the rice, I'm going to put it like this so that it will steam it properly. The rice also is cooking. Now, one more stuff to go without any oil. So I'll just make a place like this. And then it's like this, and then yeah. Wow! I'm going to beat this egg. Place it right on top of this. Here, see this. One more out there. This one. Back. And here. So here. Many things in one go. This will be for my chutney. It will be very, very spicy. 1, 2, 3 is good enough. I think it's good. I will just burn it a little bit. No other choice. So let me burn the chili right here on hot ash. There. Put this one also. Yeah, 3 of them here. Now the tung tap, as I told you, the fermented fish is steamed on top of the rice, and it's going to be like this. So perfect. Now this one, I'm going to pound this. The wild dhania, fadigom. I'm going to dhania cloud. I'm going to chop this on it. Almost done. About ready to see this. Eat. It's ready to eat. Forest flavor. Yeah. Wait, I'll show you. 1 second. Here. That's it. And black sticky rice. Let me pull out the egg first. See this. And egg. And rice. So let's get started, my friends. I have a good table. Hope you like it. Come. Let me call the camera also. So let's start. We'll have. Now time has come for me to have my lunch here deep in the forest once again. And salud, let's get started. Oh, my king chili. Here, let me add some salt. Chalo, to the go. Let's start the forest fish. Here the first month goes like this. See this, tasty, yummy. The steamed egg. See how it's the color of the egg. Yummy. See this. Mix with the chutney and get the best flavor in the world. Very, very spicy. Sợ mềm xui đi đây. Số lăng nặng lại. Nó quan có khoai gu nó quan chú ấy. Số lăng nặng. Mong tốt tụ piên mà đó.